Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Is the UK egg sector on track to be cage-free by 2025?
Cotton and Moonshot Pirates work together to shape the future of alternative protein.
Genetics and intact breeders in poultry world 9.
Pillars for Nutrition welcomes Bueller to a coalition aiming to improve nutrition for 1 billion people across 8 countries by 2026.
Short feature about the automatic fruit washing sorting machine.
Tamaga reinforces its commitment to solidarity with donations to Caritas, Educo and local associations.
Expansion of Alisar's storage plant in Chile.
Commissioning news from Europe.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Horti Agri Next Asia 2025 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.